I don't know if I want to read this kasi sobrang iyak. Umiyak ako. I can't finish. Hey everyone, so today I got a surprise package and I really wasn't expecting this kasi I was about to film another vlog, but then I got a surprise package from my friends in Leyte, my high school classmates, and it's super touching to know that someone really cares for us ni RJ. So, kanina, nabuksan na namin yung box. So, I'll be showing you what's inside it. Kasi meron pang mga letters. It's super cute, super nice yung pagka-package nila. It came in a box. And then, dumating siya kanina. I don't know when nila na-ship. But, one of the things that's inside the box is these set of letters. Ang dami. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11 letters. Later, I will read them. And then, the next one is this box. Alam na alam nilang gusto ko yung yung sweets. I was really happy when I opened this box.
Yeah.
Full of sweets and full of chocolates. Alam nilang sweet tooth ako.
Chocolate, mango.
Oh, meron pala mga sour din. Si RJ gusto niya ng sour candies. So, I don't know if they know, but gustong-gusto niya yung mga sour candies, mga sour food. Me naman, I like chocolates, and my friends really know me. Then, I have, this one is the letter that, the first thing that I noticed. So, it's,
You mean the first thing that I noticed?
Yes, kasi siya yung, kasi dumating yung box, dala-dala siya ng nung guard namin. Dala-dala siya ni guard, and then sabi niya, "Ma'am, nasaan si sir?" Kasi may package siya. So, yung box talaga, kanina, hindi pa kasi siya dumating. Nasa range kasi siya. So, it was just sitting there sa corner. Kasi hindi ko naman din binasa kung para kanino. And then, I was so surprised nung inopen niya. Sabi niya, bakit may mga flowers? Kasi I was expecting yung package na dumating is yung mga shirts niya na pinurchase niya sa sa Lazada. supposed to be for his firing sana. And it was addressed for me pala. So yun, nung pagbukas niya, he got so surprised. He wasn't expecting why there's flowers and then why there's boxes. So sobrang, sabi ko, baka free nila. Sabi ko ganun. Nga, na-surprise siya. And then, it's the first thing that we noticed. So, this is the first thing that he noticed. Sabi niya, bakit para alam nila? Basahin ko sila later. I will talk to you about the things muna, and then I will read the messages one by one. Sa lahat ng high school classmates ko, alam ko talaga kung sino magpapadala nito. Real mask, casserole, and then this thing. They're all from Japan. So, this, I know, Jel, thank you so much. Honey, ang tagal-tagal ko itong hinahanap. Forgot the store. I forgot the store, but ang tagal-tagal ko itong hinahanap. Thank you, Jel. So, this is a hair mask from Honey C. And then, mga masks. Thank you. You know that I'm vain and I love masks. And I'm guessing this is for the hair. I've never seen this, so thank you. Thank you so much. Ang thoughtful ng mga friends ko talaga. And then, the last thing that's inside the box is this decorative. This is a decorative candle set.
Wow.
Shadin! Perfect for our pad. So we're gonna transfer siguro early November or late this month. I'm not so sure kasi ang dami pang dapat tapusin, ang dami pang dapat i-decorate, ang dami pang
Mag-i-empake pa.
Oo. So, this candle set, thank you. Sobrang bango niya. Ang bango-bango niya. What else? I don't know if I want to read this kasi sobrang iyak ako. So, first letter.
Isa lang. Then,
Sobrang nakasealed pa siya, ha? Wow. First, I want to express my deepest sympathy for your loss and to the entire Visto-Quinones family. It has been a few weeks now and I'm still in shock and saddened every time I remember baby. So sweet. Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there is so much to smile about. Love you and miss you. Jaya. Oh, thanks, Jay. Sai. Shara, the moment you posted a pregnancy test that you're pregnant last December, Bato, I was so happy always knowing that I was also pregnant and that our babies will soon be batchmates just like us. In our entire period of pregnancy, we've been chatting para magkustahan. I can't finish. Sometimes you were the first person to chat me and vice versa. You even gave birth first and then me. And dapat akong tawagan na kaya mas maguwang ko weeks. Renee, we may not know each other for a long time, but I can see that you are such a responsible husband and a father. Just keep the faith in God and know that He will always have a better plan for you. And Sharon, everything happens for a reason. God bless. Thank you, Sai. What is the Bible verse? For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. They are plans for good and not for disaster. They give you a future and a hope. Can't really remember. Love you, Shar. I'm with you and your family in my thoughts and prayers. It's so cute, Pabo. It's a long tail, though. I'm all It's super cute. Cute. Thank you, Ate Po.
Yeah.
What's up? Dear Shar, life's unfair, no? When Daddy passed away, daghan kayo kong questions. Worry, Char, I will tell Daddy in my prayers not to watch over baby Rui and play with him. Thank you. July. Dearest Char, I would like to extend my deepest sympathy, Char. My family and friends also express their condolences and that you have the strength and faith to overcome this season. Rui was gone too soon, but he will always be in our hearts. He's the most adorable baby that I have ever seen. I'll always pray for Rui and your whole family. Thank you, Jel. You need a ray of light, senseless laughter, and a slice of my energy. Call me, poke me, or DM me on any of my social media accounts. Without kidding aside, to sprinkle a little smile on your face is the least thing I can do now. You know how much I love you and that I will and forever be here for you. Super tight, warm hugs. Smile kind. Marvin, thank you. Dearest spoke, no words may seem so feeble in these times, but one thing I want to assure you, God and His kingdom have welcomed baby Rui and mighty arms. Jesus said in Matthew 19 verse 14, "Let the little children come to me and do not hinder them, for to such belongs to the kingdom of heaven." To Red, we may have not witnessed it as much, but thank you so much for taking care of Shara and Rui. Shara could not ask for a better life partner, and Rui is very blessed to have such a loving father. Thank you, Boki. Dearest Shara, I may not be that visible to you. We may only seldom talk, but I'm still a stalker who looks forward to watching friends' IG stories every break I get. Feel the strong, determined, palaban, confident yet cute and sweet Shara I know since childhood, and I super admire you for that. I'm not able to see baby Rui grow, but he would have been as determined, strong, and sweet as you. Thank you, Pao.
Last.
Hingi. Shara and Ren, words may not be enough to comfort you right now, but we will try. Writing this letter comes with a heavy heart, because we hope that we could give more. We fight many battles up from the heartache that we were once thought was the worst. You are the type of person who always wore her heart on the sleeves. You're strong, but also soft. We witness the two of you. We are witnesses of the love that you have for each other. It's the kind of love that you would make bystanders and lurkers jealous. So then, feel all the feelings. No one is rushing you to be okay. Hindi for you as you say goodbye and look forward, holding memories always in your heart. So far from your friends and you're all in your own. No one to run to. Thank you, King.
See?
You know how much sensitive and how much iyakin I am. I know that you all know that. It's very, very hard to find true friends, and you guys did not fail me. I'm just so happy that I have you as my friends, and I have your back. I will keep this, and I will forever remember the thoughts. No, we haven't seen each other for quite some time, but we are hoping that after this pandemic, we will all see each other. We will all can catch up, and I can tell you of how much adorable our baby